Agents, this is Luis Moreno with Insurance Agent Training. I'm going to talk to you guys about Agent CRM. This is the premier CRM that every insurance agency should be using. And here's why. I'm using it. That's the main reason why I am in all lines, one-stop shop for insurance. I have a P&C agency where we are selling auto insurance, home insurance, commercial or business insurance, and life insurance. I have Simply Health Insurance Agency where we are selling ACA, we're selling Medicare, we're selling all of the ancillaries like cancer plans, hospital indemnities, dental and vision. We're putting all that into one CRM. And in addition to that, I have 14 employees and producers combined, and we're all using the same CRM. Guys, the premier CRM is Agent CRM. It's one of those CRMs that you must have. Now, here's the beauty, guys. If you use the link down below that I'm going to share with you, that is my affiliate link. And you're like, well, why do I want to use your link? I can just go direct. Well, number one, you're going to pay the same price if you use their link or my link. So that's off the table. If you use my link, here's what's going to happen, guys. First of all, you're going to get all the support that they give their people. Okay, there's not really their or my people. It's the same group of people. But you're going to get all the support features. You're going to get all the branding bundles that they've created. But with my link, you're also going to get access to my workflows that I have created here at this agency. The ones that we use day in, day out for every line of business. So it's one of those, hey, you might as well get it. All right. Now, what I'm going to create here for you guys is I'm going to create a series of videos. And in these videos, I'm going to go over every feature and how we utilize it. Before I do that today, I want you to comment down below. Okay, I want you to like this video so it gets shared with other agents. And please do me a favor, guys. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate it. If you're not, help me out. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. And I haven't checked this morning, but we were just a few away from getting to 8,000. So I could definitely use your support. All right, so what is the first feature that I'm going to share? All right, so number one, if you're like, okay, I want to get the CRM, just click on the more button down below in the description, and you'll see the link there, which is my affiliate link, and then you'll be able to get Agent CRM. All right, so let's get into the very first feature of the CRM. All right, here we go. So you see here on the left-hand side of this screen, guys, you're going to see all of these tools that we have access to. Okay, so I'm going to go over feature number one, which is the Account Customizer. And in this feature, Agent CRM created it. And the reason they created it was because you're going to customize this CRM for you and your agency. Not only are you going to customize it for you and your agency, but you're also going to input the data here, and then this data is a field. Think of it as this field right here is what's going to get put into all of the workflows. So whatever you put here in this blue box, when you use this field, it's going to populate with that information. So now it makes the workflows super easy for you guys, for my templates, for you guys to use. So super important that you fill this out. All right, so you've got these tabs on here, and let's go over the information that you're going to fill out. So in section number one, this is the business information. What you're going to put in here is you're going to put the name of your agency. You're going to put the phone number of your agency. You're going to put the agency email, the address, your domain name, and then what product lines you offer. So you'll plug that in. You'll go to the personal information page. Okay, on here, you're going to put your name, your designation. You can put a bio. I didn't, but you can put all the kind of information you want on there. And then you can upload a picture. And then also what you can do is you can upload your signature, which is key. You want your signature. Now you're probably asking, well, how do I get my signature on there? Well, you can create a signature here. And once you've created that signature, you can upload it here. I use this signature on my consent forms for ACA. You can put it onto the SOA. There's going to be forms that are created that you'll want to add your signature, and you can just place it on there because you've added it here on the personal page. You can go to the branding. Oh, let me go back to the personal. Make sure you upload a professional headshot of you. You don't want a family shot. You don't want it unprofessional. You want it well lit with a good background so that you put your best foot forward when they're looking at you. All right, let's go to branding. So here on the branding side, you can change the colors of your CRM. Well, all I did here was I uploaded my agency logo. Social media. Here, you can upload all of your handles. So you want to make sure you have a Facebook business page. You want to make sure you have a YouTube channel. If you don't create one, it's not that hard. You want Instagram and you want LinkedIn. And what you would do is you'll plug in your handles for those social media sites. I don't have any testimonials, but if you wanted to, you could put testimonials on here. You can put your experience. I just put how many years I've been in business and the products that we offer. And then you can link your calendar. You can put a general calendar, or you can make several calendars for each line of business. So in this section, guys, this is the customizer where you're going to take this CRM and you're going to customize it for you and your agency. Super vital that you get this first step done, because this is going to lead to success with other tools that you're going to have here in the agency. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you with that. Make sure that if you're interested in getting this, or even if you want to try it out, use my link. There's a 2-week free trial. Wait a minute. It's either 10 days or two weeks. Free trial. You get to feel it out. You get to make sure that it's going to be good for you, because, guys, you're going to want to use this CRM forever. You're not going to want to let go of it, but make sure it's a good for you. But I will tell you personally, here at my agency, a 25-year agency, we would die without this CRM. So it's a vital tool in our success. I think it'll be a great tool for you and your agency, so give it a try. This is Luis Moreno with Insurance Agent Training. And guys, do me the favor, please make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget down below, when you click on the more, you're going to get the link to Agent CRM. Plus, you're also going to get linked to some goodies down there. Okay, I have a newsletter. You can subscribe to my newsletter. I have my smart books for ACA and Medicare. I have an ACA 101 course. And then I have a Facebook ad course that I've partnered up with Shauna, who she created the course. Very good way of advertising on social media, mainly Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to learn how to advertise on those platforms, click on the link down below. And guys, I appreciate your support. Thank you. Again, this is Luis Moreno with Insurance Agent Training. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel.